What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to program a key fob to a Ford Mustang. We're actually going to take a look at how to program multiple key fobs. So in order to do this, you'll need all the fobs that you want to work for the vehicle. That'll include any that you already have, as they'll need to be reprogrammed during the procedure. And you'll also need the ignition key. So I have my two fobs here. As you can see, these two are unprogrammed currently. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do is put the key in the ignition, and we're going to turn the ignition from off, the position it's in now, to run, which is as far as you can turn the key forward without actually starting the vehicle. We're going to turn it from off to run 8 times, with the 8th time ending in run. And you need to do this quickly. So let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The door lock cycle indicating the vehicle is now in programming mode, so we'll grab our first key fob, press any button. The door lock cycle again, that indicates this remote's programmed. If you have a second remote, you'll grab that, press a button. This remote's now programmed. If you have any additional remotes, you'll repeat that previous step, pressing a button on the remote and then the door lock cycle. When you're done adding remotes, what you'll do is turn the ignition off, remove the key, and now let's test the remotes. That one works. And that one works too. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.